Right, fellas. This is our new boy. I want you to make him feel welcome.
I'm really proud to be here.
I hope he's insured.
I think, as we all know, and I say this as a former mediocre rugby player, AFL is the most exciting football code. An enormous field, extraordinary athleticism. It is the leaping, jumping, flying game where the big men fly, as they say, and where possession is everything. It is a game that moves faster than any other.
It's true, isn't it, Jerry?
No.
This is a very exciting day for a very exciting game in the most exciting place in the world. So exciting.
Good for you. I'll see you at the game. Excuse me, John.